OEM 6E0-45321-01-5B. Water pump plate from Ice Marine is a key cooling system component designed for Yamaha 4 and 5 HP outboard engines. It serves as the base for the water pump assembly, supporting proper impeller positioning and maintaining steady water flow to help regulate engine temperature and prevent overheating. Commonly used on Yamaha two-stroke models such as 4AC, 4MSH, 5C, and 5CMH, and compatible with some early F4 four-stroke engines. Manufactured from corrosion-resistant aluminum for durability in marine environments, it can interchange with part numbers 6E0-45321-0100, 6E0-45321-000, and 68D G532100. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, provides premium aftermarket marine parts you can trust. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, or WhatsApp +886 966 468 632.